In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create new Google Forms directly from Google Sheets easily and efficiently. This process is surprisingly simple, and in the next few minutes you'll be able to create forms without leaving your spreadsheet. Let's dive in. First, we need to navigate to Google Drive. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL for Google Drive, or simply search Google Drive to find the correct link. Upon reaching the site, you'll be greeted by the usual interface of clouds and folders. It's here where the magic starts. With Google Drive open, the next step is to find the Apps option. You should see it nestled in between your previously opened documents and some useful shortcuts. Apps serve as your entry point to various Google services, all easily accessible and interconnected. Once you've accessed the Apps section, create a new Google Sheet. Whether you're starting from scratch or working on an existing project, clicking on Sheets will take you where we need to be. For the purpose of this walkthrough, you have the option to open an existing spreadsheet you've been working on, or if you're starting fresh, click on Blank Spreadsheet. Here's where your dashboard is open to endless possibilities, and adding a form is just a few clicks away. With your spreadsheet open and ready, let's proceed to bring in that form functionality. Look at the toolbar running across the top of your page, and you'll find the Tools menu. Clicking on Tools will reveal a drop-down menu of additional features and functionalities that Google Sheets offers. Among these options, there's one called Create a Form, and this is where we want to go next. When you select Create a Form, presto, a new Google form is instantly created and opened, embedded seamlessly into your workflow. This feature makes it easy to gather information directly linked and organized in your spreadsheet. You can customize your form with questions, choose the type of responses you need, and even style it to fit your theme or branding. It's a streamlined way to make data collection smooth and efficient. Remember, Google Forms provides a fantastic platform for gathering responses and getting organized data from participants. Once the form is created, you'll be directed to a separate page where you can start crafting your questions, setting your parameters, and preparing it for distribution. So there you have it. You've learned how to create a new Google form from within Google Sheets, making data collection a breeze. Whether you're conducting a survey, organizing an event, or just gathering quick feedback, utilizing this seamless integration can enhance productivity and keep everything in one place. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks, and keep exploring the endless possibilities that Google Workspace offers.